Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to close a trade right here on Oanda. So let's say we created ourselves a nice position and we want to close this trade. To be honest, it's quite simple because first of all we create a trade. So this is a demo account, so don't do directly what I'm doing on a real account. But I buy right here some Bitcoin position and now I want to close this trade. What we're going to do is go right here to the bottom where you will find the cross. We click here on the cross and he will immediately close your trade. But if you click right here on the first time, you will get a notification for one-click trading. And that means that after clicking there that you accept their terms, that you can close this trade by just clicking on the cross. So be careful if you click on the cross and already accepted the notification, because then you will immediately close your trade. So this is how you can close your trade right here on Oanda. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.